Refrigeration and Air Conditioning CBT 2024 second year exam. How many types of float valves are used as expansion device in refrigeration? A4, B2, C3, D1. Which metal is used to coat big end split bearing of connecting rod in open type compressor? A. White metal, B. Bronze, C. Brass, D. Zinc. Which type of air conditioners fulfills the requirement of 15 tons cooling capacities? A. Central air plant, B. Split AC, C. Window AC, D. Package AC. What is the purpose of bleed of water in cooling tower? A. Add fresh water, B. Reduce scale deposit, C. Change pH valve, D. Decrease water circulation. Which compressor is used in the refrigeration system? A. Sealed rotary type, B. Semi-hermetic reciprocating, C. Open type reciprocating, D. Scroll compressor. Which double pipe condenser has the condensing water tube inside the refrigerant tube? A. Shell and tube condenser, B. Shield and coil type condenser, C. Shell and coil type condenser, D. Tube in tube condenser. Which valve consists of a valve seat, ring plates, valve spring and retainer? A. Puppet valve, B. Exhaust valve, C. Flexing valve, D. Ring plate valve. What is the name of part marked as X in fan coil unit? A. Drain pan, B. Coil, C. Heater, D. Fan motor. Which part of the water pump needs the lubrication? A. Gland, B. Casing, C. Bearing, D. Impeller. What is the name of process while finishing the surface of valve plates very fine and accurate so that there will be no small scratches in the finished surface? A. Valve lapping. B. Valve grinding. C. Valve honing. D. Valve rubbing. What is the purpose of alarm bell operation in cold storage? A. Calls for fire rescue. B. Indication to rescue trapped person. C. Indicates power supply available. D. Informs refrigerant leakage. Which condenser is used in 5-ton water cooled package air conditioners? A. Fin and coil. B. Bar and tube. C. Plate type. D. Shell and tube. Which is expressed in the scale marked along X? A. Sensible heat. B. Latent heat. C. Entropy. D. Enthalpy. What is meant by static pressure? A. Still air pressure in duct. B. Ambient air pressure. C. Moving air pressure. D. Air diffusing pressure. Which refrigerant system requires non-sparking sealed electrical component? A. R407C. B. R410A. C. R134A. D. R600A. What insulation is used to insulate ice cream storage cabinet? A. Glass wool. B. Thermocol. C. Foam pad. D. Expanded polyurethane. What is the benefit of preventive maintenance in AC plant? A. Decrease refrigerant charge. B. Reduce water flow. C. Prevent plants breakdown. D. Increase running cost. Upright freezer auto defrost cycle is activated interval of every A 16 hour, B 12 hour, C 24 hour, D 8 hour. Which type of load consumes more energy in an AC plant system? A. Air ventilation. B. Air distribution. C. Heating and cooling. D. Water circulation. Which one indicating pulley bearing in figure? A. Z. B. X. C. W. D. Y. What is the pH value of pure water? A. 9. B. 8. C. 6. D. 7. What How the indoor unit acts during heating cycle of heat pump? A. Evaporator. B. Electrical heater. C. Condenser. D. Expansion device. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Hydrometer. B. Manometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Barometer. Which metal is used for making the inner cabinet of a ice cream storage plant? A. Iron sheet. B. Copper sheet. C. Galvanized iron sheet. D. Stainless steel. Which cooling tower is provided with open louvers on all four sides? A. Mechanical draft cooling tower. B. Forced draft cooling tower. C. Natural draft cooling tower. D. Induced draft cooling tower. What is the name of fan coil units which have two supply pipes and two return pipes? A. 4 pipe fan coil units. B. 2 pipe fan coil unit. C. Dual pipe fan coil unit. D. Multi flow pipe fan coil unit. What is the preventive maintenance schedule of blower motors speed and end play in package AC? A. Monthly. B. Weekly. C. Daily. D. Yearly. What is the name of part marked as X in electronic expansion valve? A. Piston sleeve. B. Orifice assembly. C. Lead screw. D. Motor. Which part is indicated X in figure? A. Diaphragm. B. Cut-in adjustment. C. Differential adjustment. D. Pressure sensor. Which electrical load is first operated in the cold storage plant? A. Compressor oil pump. B. Condenser fan. C. Compressor motor. D. Blower fan. Which one is mechanical component of ice candy plant? A. Motor switch. B. Overload protector. C. Compressor service valve. D. Thermostatic switch. What is desirable boiling point of a refrigerant? A. Low temperature. B. High temperature. C. Extra high temperature. D. Medium temperature. Which size service port is used in automobile air conditioners for HFC 134A refrigerant? A. 3 by 8 inch 15 ACME. B. Half inch 16 ACME. C. 5 by 16 inch 14 ACME. D. 1/4 inch 13 ACME. Which material is used as a sealant to prevent water leakage in shell and tube condenser? A. Washer. B. Gasket. C. Tube sheet. D. Saddle. Which type of heat is absorbed by water while passing through the cooling coil of an indirect expansion chiller plant? A. Specific heat. B. Superheat. C. Latent heat. D. Sensible heat. What is the name of part marked as X in thermostat? A. Differential adjustment. B. Stationary contact. C. Bellows. D. Movable contact. What is the name of chiller where water brine is circulated through the tube bundle and the refrigerant is on the shell side. A. In flooded chillers. B. DX chillers. C. Indirect expansion chillers. D. Dry chillers. How the pH of water is checked for acidic or alkaline. A. Pressure relief valve. B. By hygrometer. C. Using litmus paper. D. By hydrometer.